Music changed my life. For sure it did.
If I didn't have my violin from school, I don't know what I would do.
I'm getting emotional.
Don't even jinx me with that.
I was a little Armenian boy living in the Republic of Azerbaijan.
I was a single mom. We were so poor. Sometimes we didn't have food.
Growing up, I was kind of in my own world. Some people would say maybe a little off-center.
It's really hard being a kid. Some of them come from a place of love, and others come from huge dysfunction.
I guess I'm just scared of, like, failure, you know? Like, I'm scared, like, I won't, like, find a purpose in life. But once I go on stage, all that tension goes away.
The emotional broken things are more difficult, but we try to make the instrument part as good as it can be.
That's why this is not just a repair shop.
I'm gonna find a way to make music my career, my passion.
You're smart, you're strong, go fight for what you want.
After what happened in the past, I lost the urge to follow the music, to stay with the music. But life brought me back to it.
I thought I was broken. Don't quit. Don't give up. Persist.
In a way, you're fixing an instrument for the future Grammy winner, if you want to kind of dream a little bit, you know.